All right, next up in the break room, another box, 2013 Bowman Sterling for Rob. Thanks again, Rob, and good luck. All right, who can we pull out of here? All right, base of Cole Stewart, and is numbered out of 199. First autograph is going to be of Aaron Judge, followed up by Blake Taylor, and Jonathan Crawford. And it's numbered 127 of 150. First up, base card Zoilo Almonte. First autograph Robert Kaminsky. And the next autograph is going to be of Cole Stewart. And next up is a redemption for a DJ Peterson autograph. DJ Peterson. First card, base of Mark Appel. First autograph in the pack, Tim Anderson. Next autograph, Hunter Dozier. And the third autograph is of Adam Eaton. Adam Eaton. First card, purple of Nick Castellanos. It is numbered 8 of 10. Nick Castellanos. First autograph, Jorge Soler. Next autograph, Kevin Ziomek. And the third going to be the green Alan Hansen. Autographed and numbered 54 of 125. First base card, Brad Miller. First autograph, Colin Moran. Followed up by Braden Shipley. And the last autograph in this pack is going to be the green of Carlos Martinez. And numbered 53 of 125, Carlos Martinez. And the final pack of Bowman Sterling, we will have a duel that is of Matt Harvey and Bryce Harper, followed up with autograph of Jonathan Crawford. Next autograph is going to be of Noah Syndergaard. And the final autograph is going to be of Victor Sanchez. Victor Sanchez. All right, another solid box there of Sterling for you. Thanks again, as always. We'll get that all shipped together for you. Hope you enjoy everything.